Hello and welcome to the video. This is a very quick video just to announce the winner of this giveaway that I did actually this time last week. So this is for the Tyro89 kit. Now this is a little kit that's going to require some building, so a little bit of effort. So you're going to have to be handy with a soldering iron and be up for a couple of evenings work to put this thing together. But when it's all together, it should be a great little model. Now quite a few subscribers, 780 plus comments, and quite a lot of likes. Not the same number of likes as comments, but I'm not going to worry too much about that. Let's put the details into the random comment picker, get rid of any duplicate users, and the winner of the Tyro89 kit is Bernie O'Connor. Bernie, congratulations. Let's have a quick look at your website. Oh wow, some cool stuff on there. Looks like skydiving and things. Bernie, fantastic. I love the fact it says here as well that it's something that you want to do with your grandson. I think it's fab that you're bringing a new generation into the hobby. So pop me your details on email to lee@painless360.com and I'll get this out to you. Thank you for watching my video and watching right to the very end. If you want to find out what I'm currently working on, you can follow me on social media by searching for Painless360 in the usual places. If you'd like to become part of the inner circle, then you can become a Patreon. Details are in the description and you get lots of additional benefits. Check out the playlist section on the channel too. I organise all of my videos into playlists and it's called something like Introduction to or for Beginners. All of the content is aimed so that you can start at the very beginning and it teaches you that subject, starting with simple principles and moving up to teach you everything you need to know.